About closure in Swift. Today I am going to discuss about closure in Swift. Firstly, let's go open your playground in your Xcode. Open your playground in your Xcode. So what is closure? Closures are self-contained chunks of closure are self-contained blocks of functionality that can be passed around used in your code. So closure is a simple definition. What is simple definition? Closure are self-contained blocks of functionality. That can be passed around used in your code. So firstly, we can create a some easily and difficulty type of closure. Firstly is a simple closure. Today I am going to discuss about simple closure in use in Swift. So first is simple closure. So we have declared a simple closure that takes no parameter, no statement, does not return value. So let us consider as an example. Firstly, create a let which have create a name. Suppose demo closure. Demo closure, which is type of demo closure, which is general syntax and type, which is type equal. Directly inferred this which closure is directly inferred of closure. What's the type of directly inferred of closure? So demo closure which have no return type, and no parameter, which have no statement. This is a simple closure. We can call demo closure, which have in calling we can run. This is an empty closure, is demo closure. So we can create a closure syntax. So this is type inferred, and so simple. That is a simple closure. So which is what is simple closure? This is void. This is a type of is. This is void, no return type, and void return type, and no parameter, and which have no argument, no statement. So simple closure. This is a simple closure. What is closure? Closure self-contained blocks of functionality that can be passed around used in your code. Thank you for watching this video.